Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got through talking about kinetic energy and potential energy using a pendulum, and now my lucky grandchildren have a zip line. The zip line is this heavy cable that goes from that power pole to that power pole, and here we have a couple of pulleys that they can hang on to and climb that ladder and come zipping down here. Well, all of that, again, depends upon the concept of conservation of energy. When they're up on the ladder, they have a certain amount of potential energy. When they jump on the zip line and come zooming down, that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and they'll pass this point going on with exactly the same amount of kinetic energy that they had potential energy up there. The problem is there's a lot of friction in this system, so it won't be exactly right. We will lose some energy to heat in the process of this thing moving down to the lower point. Now I've taken this level and I've lined it up here and placed a mark on the bottom of the pole, and then I pushed the rock all the way up to where I'm going to turn it loose and put a mark on the pole. And the distance between those two marks is 4.5 feet. This is a 20-pound rock, so when I lift it up there, I'll have 20 times 4.5 or 90 foot-pounds of potential energy. I should have 90 foot-pounds of kinetic energy down here, but I won't because of the friction in the system. So now we are ready to demonstrate this, and Karen is taking the video. I'm going to do the work. That is, I'm going to do the same amount of work by pushing this up this cable as if I lifted this up 4.5 feet, except it's going to be much easier because the cable acts like a ladder or an inclined plane, okay? So I'll put this stuff down and Karen can follow me. We're heading back up. I'm doing work. Work. Nothing but work on the farm, except this is fun work. Now it's getting steeper. I'm having to exert a greater force. And finally, here's the lower mark. That was in line with this. And here's the upper mark. That's in line with this. And now, when I turn it loose, the work that I did gave it potential energy. And now when I turn it loose, that potential energy will be converted to kinetic energy. It's so much fun if you're a little bit smaller than me to get on this zip line and go zooming down there. So here we go. Potential energy. Now, kinetic energy. Woo! Thank you. That's